Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and then let's scroll in order to find wallpapers and style. Now let's tap on the wallpapers here, and as you can see we've got some sections from which we can choose the wallpaper. We've got some albums, inventive wallpapers, carousel wallpapers, live wallpapers which are animated ones. Here we've got static wallpapers from which you can choose, so we've got pretty cool options. And here we've got also online wallpapers, so you will have access to them if you will have the internet connection. Be aware about that. And basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to simply tap on it, and I cannot decide as always. Alright, so let's pick this one. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see it will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so it can be on the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.